This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to jam together on 4 progressions that will allow us to practice lots and lots of the chords that we've been learning recently in the lesson series. We've been learning these movable 7th chords with alterations. We've got ones that don't have alterations but have upper extensions. Lots of cool things that we've learned recently in the lesson series that we're going to practice together with these chord progressions found right inside of my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. So this video accompanies lesson 29 from that book. We are going to be on pages 190 and 191 jamming on chord progressions 2 through 5. Each one of these is going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. You will see the little alt chord symbol with some of these dominant 7th chords. When we see alt, it's up to us which voicing to use. We can use the sharp 9 or the flat 9 without the 5th being in the chord. We can also use the sharp 5 sharp 9 or sharp 5 flat 9 or flat 9 flat 5 or flat 5 sharp 9. Any of those 4 combinations, we get to pick which one we want to use. So you get to pick which voicings you want to use anytime it's like that. We also have examples here where you can choose 9ths and 13ths. Some of those things are specified with some of these voicings. Sometimes it's just written at the 7th level, and if you choose to throw on the 9th, that's okay. So you get to play with it a little bit here. You don't necessarily have to play exactly what I'm playing, but I am going to demonstrate something that will work. I'm also going to be a little interactive with the comping rhythms that I use in sort of a demonstration fashion. You can try and copy what I'm playing or do your own thing. I'm going to be using the types of things that were explained on page 92 in the book and that were demonstrated in the videos that went with that page way back when we were working on storing patterns. So I'm going to be doing those kinds of things. You can just sort of pick up on that. But this is going to be a great opportunity for us to practice playing some progressions using the types of chords we've been learning recently. So it's going to be great. We're just going to go ahead and do it. Numbers 2 through 5, page 190 and 191. Each one will happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. All right, it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these. Okay, great. In the next video, we'll do 4 more chord progressions to go with lesson 29, so it's going to be fun. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.